Most people want to be rich, but some habits quietly keep them broke. Let's fix that, starting today. Mistake number 1: not investing in yourself. When you stop learning, you stop growing. You miss out on better jobs, higher income, and bigger opportunities. But when you read, take courses, or build new skills, your value goes up. More value means more money. Mistake number 2: relying on only one income stream. If that one source stops, everything crashes. But with multiple streams, like a side hustle or investment, you have options, not panic. More income equals more freedom. Mistake number 3: not automating your savings and investments. If you only save when it's convenient, you'll rarely save at all. But when you automate it, even small amounts, your money grows quietly in the background. And mistake number 4: ignoring small daily expenses. Buying snacks every day, unplanned spending. It looks small, but over a month, it's huge. Tracking those tiny leaks can save you big. Right finger so, choose the smarter path. Invest in yourself. Create more income. Save and invest without thinking. Watch every naira, because these small actions, they build the rich, stress-free future you deserve. Welcome to Wealth Builders Club, where smart habits create wealth.